Do you like the bird? Could you imagine being friends with him? Could you imagine eating him? Or could you imagine him eating you? I just wonder. You don't have to answer. I thought, I was thinking, I was thinking maybe the three of us, we, we could hang out sometime. Maybe the bird could teach us how to fly. And then we'd teach him whatever birds don't know how to do. I was also thinking when we hang out, we could watch a movie or watch the sky or the cars going down the road. I could watch the planes. Do you think the bird would like the planes? I think I think he wouldn't. That's just how birds are. They don't like other flying things. I do. I like birds and other flying things. I like watching things. Do you think he can hear us? Do you think he agrees? Or maybe he doesn't. Maybe he doesn't. Maybe I should stop talking. You agree with me, right? And I got him some water just in case he was thirsty. But it's my water. And actually, I'm the one who's thirsty. I am. I would like a glass of water, but now it's just like it's his. It's not my glass anymore. It's not my water anymore. I guess I'm fine with it. You can have it, bird. It's totally yours. Plain water. No salt. Me? What I need is seawater. But birds don't know anything about that. About salt water. Do you know about salt water? What are you made of? Just water? Plain water? I bet the bird has no water inside. I bet it's made solely out of air. That's why they fly. And that's why they can't cry. Maybe we're better than that bird because we cry. and we cry seawater with salt in it. Do you think by now the bird can hear us? I think he's awake. Or maybe he's just sleeping. Maybe we should go and wake him up. Right? Right. All right. How should we wake him up? Maybe a kiss. Right. Right, that's right. Maybe you should go and kiss the bird. Go ahead. Kiss the bird. All right. Are you falling asleep? I'm not sure. Maybe he's dead. Do you think he's dead? In that case, maybe we should eat him. Do you know his name? I do. It's named Tuesday. Right, right, like today. The sun's coming back. You think it'll start raining? I bet the bird will know. But did you know? I won't say it. I won't say it. You probably know it. But do you know? I really probably shouldn't say it. Maybe I should eat it. Looks kind of delicious. And I'm thirsty anyway. I could drink the water, eat the bird. Should I kiss the bird? I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that could wake him up. Try, but maybe you should. It's your turn. Do you think now that he's alive, he can hear us? Hey bird, wake up. Hey bird, do you mind talking to us? Can you talk at all? I could teach you. Teach you how to talk in Spanish. That's my mother tongue, and it could be yours. Maybe we should leave. Maybe we should just leave him alone. I do think we should leave. Can you hear those other birds? Maybe he's hearing them and he can tell what they're saying, but he just won't tell us. I think I'm ready to leave. Do you think when I leave, the bird will follow me? I don't think so. But I know you will. And you should. Bye bye, little bird. Bye bye. I hope you're real. I hope you're not thirsty anymore. Maybe I should kiss him. One last time. Right? Maybe I should. I will. Alright. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'll kiss him. And then we'll leave. And I'll tell him I love him. And if he follows us, that means he loves us too. Alright, close your eyes. Little bird, I love you. And if you follow me, I'll know you love me too.